We have already seen the traditional way of multiplying two 2 cross 2 matrices. Now let's look at the fastest and most efficient way of multiplying these matrices. So we have two matrices here, both of them of the order of 2 cross 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how do we multiply them? It's very easy. First of all, we just look at the first matrix and write the elements of the first matrix here twice with sufficient space between the elements. Now what we need to do is we simply need to reverse the rows and columns of this matrix. That is what we call transpose. We make the first column the first row and the second column the second row, and we are just doing this for the process of our multiplication, so we can do this mentally also. Now place the elements of this row beside the elements of the previous matrix like this. So the first row will be placed here and the second row will be placed here and here. Now we simply multiply the corresponding elements and the plus sign between the products. So after calculating, we get the result as 90, 22, 43 and 50, which we would have also got via the traditional method. Hello students and welcome to my channel. This channel is dedicated to all those students looking for some guidance in secondary and higher secondary level mathematics. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified on the latest upload. Do not forget to like and share the video. Please do leave a comment describing what you like in the video. Suggestions on topics for future videos are also welcome. For more study materials and tests, download the Keshav's Classes app. Link is given in the description box. Now let's take another example. We have 1, 3, minus 2, 0 multiplied with 2, 4, 5, 1. So first we place the elements of this matrix as it is with sufficient space. Then we transpose, that is exchange the rows and columns of this matrix. And we place this row twice here and then this row twice here. Multiply the corresponding elements, add the products. And then simply calculate and get the result. So after calculating, this is the final result.